Hi, welcome to Cooking Plant Forward, and today I'm going to show you something that is going to change your life. What we're going to make today is a smoothie, a highly nutritious, healthy, delicious smoothie that you're going to want to have every day. I have this every day. It changed my life, and now I'm going to show you how. All right, so these 6 items are going to go into the blender dry. Now, I have a blender here that I use. It's got a lot of hours on it. All right, so oatmeal, chia seed, wheat germ, flaxseed, cranberries, walnuts, and these first 6 ingredients, get them into the blender. We're going to blend them up into a powder, and that just helps with getting it to be incorporated into the smoothie so you're not getting chunks in your straw when you're eating it. There's going to be a little bit, but this will help reduce that. All right, now that we have those first 6 ingredients ground down to a powder, this is where it gets fun. Now we're going to make it delicious. First and foremost, every smoothie has to have bananas. Now, if it doesn't have bananas, it's not going to be smooth, it's not going to be delicious. It gives it that sweetness as well. Must have. I'm using 2 bananas. This particular recipe, it's going to make probably 3 to 4 smoothies, depends on how many people you have. It's great for the kiddos because you can just put it in a little cup and that'll go a long way. I personally have about 1.5 large glasses of this every morning, and it's so craveable, it's delicious. So after the bananas, which are a must-have, so you have the first 6 and the bananas, that's the base. So gotta have those. Now, if you don't particularly have wheat germ, flaxseed or anything like that, or you're missing one of the other ingredients, that's okay. You don't have to have all 6 on your first smoothie. Just start. Just every oatmeal, flaxseed, cranberries, nuts, all these things can be found at your local grocery store very easily. So don't stress. Just get started. You're gonna love it. Berries. So I love berries. Berries are great for you, and I always put berries in there. I mix it up a little bit. I use a 3 blend berries. Apples are also great in there. Peaches. This is where the fun comes in, and you can make a different type of smoothie every single day. Maybe one this week, another one next week. Whatever you have in abundance is great too. Whatever. This is what makes it delicious. Put those berries in there. All right. Now, when it comes to the liquid, I use water. Now, if you want to make it a little bit creamer, you can use something like almond milk, soy milk, something like that. Non-dairy milk. I don't eat dairy. So, it's much healthier if you use something like water. Now, if your berries are frozen, it's better if you use room temperature water. It'll help with the consistency so that it doesn't turn into ice cream. But if it turns into ice cream, that's actually pretty delicious itself as well. All right, let's get this blended up. Okay, now that that's blended up real well, let's show you what it looks like. Now, consistency is a preference here. I like to drink mine usually pretty quickly. You can take it on the go as well, or you can sit out in the sun and drink your smoothie in the morning, and it's just a great way to start the day. All right, let's see how much we have left. There's a lot of things you can do with this as well. I also like to make it into popsicles. You have one of those little cups, pour it in there, hop in the freezer, and that's a good way to get the kiddos to drink their smoothie, well, eat their smoothie. And it's healthy for them, it's healthy for you, your family, and anyone else that you love, friends, family. Go ahead and share this video, show them how to make it, and here we go. To health.